So, excitement, very excited. Finally, this day has come to life. मी मोर दॅन एका वर्षापासनं प्रयत्न, प्लॅनिंग सगळं करतोय आणि विथ एव्हरीवन्स हेल्प आय एम फायनली गेटिंग मॅरीड टू द लव्ह ऑफ माय लाईफ. I again cannot describe her in a couple of sentences, the person she is. So I'm just really looking forward to spend my life with her.
इश्क कोई होगा मेरा.
The Shah family in general has been very welcoming, very kind, and wonderful. So I'm super excited for today. And to Jimit, I want to say I love you, and I'm so excited to get really old with you. I hope we gossip the same way when we're old and grey. And I'll see you at the wedding.
शफ़क़त तेरी मन के परिंदे उड़ते फिरे सांझ सवेरे.
Karishma was the only relative who was there with us in US when me and Kavita got married. And now I am here today in her wedding as brother, filling the duties of a brother.
All that movement got me shook. I'm tripping over that body. Shorty dripping, she got sauce. I think she knows she a baddie. Jacking this bag, she kept on the tag. Only to make all the petty or mad. I'm picking up on the reddest of flags, but shorty too bad. Shorty too sexy about it. She know that she got it. She know that I want it. She bad. Popping that thing 'cause she got it. She push up and drop it. She turn every man to a fan. She got that. I give her that. Yeah, she got that. I give her that. Give me that action. The whole thing, not a fraction. Shaking it, shaking it, shaking it. Shorty shake it like she from the favela. Bring me that energy. Turn the function to a mela. Shorty going for hours. She don't stop. She got all the power. She's on top. If it ain't designer, she won't shop. Body made for summer. She did squats. I do what I want, but I do as she please. She hit in positions I couldn't believe. She call me Papi, she call you Paji. Doing the most, she do it for me. All that movement got me shook. I'm tripping over that body. Shorty dripping, she got sauce. I think she knows she a baddie. Jacking this bag, she kept on the tag. Holding to make all the petty or mad. I'm picking up on the reddest of flags, but shorty too bad. Shorty too sexy about it. She know that she got it. She know that I want it. She bad. Popping that thing 'cause she got it. She push up and drop it. She turn every man to a fan. She got that. I give her that. Yeah, she got that. I give her that. Shorty too sexy about it. She know that she got it. She know that I want it. She bad. Popping that thing 'cause she got it. She push up and drop it. She turn every man to a fan. She got that. I give her that. Yeah, she got that. I give her that. I give her the. I give her the. I gave him the steps. I gave him the manual. Gave him direction down to the angles. I know my crossover left him in shambles. I broke through. You broke your ankles.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are still not ready for this.
ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ. ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ. ਨਾਲ ਰਜੇਟੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ.
Get ready.
I'm a king, but I bop, I'm a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back. beauty is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
इश्क दे लिया जख्मां दे खुद हंस हंस के मुंह सी लांगी यार मेरा मैनू दे 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 दे
ਆਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰਜੇਟੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
इश्क दे लिया जख्मां दे खुद हंस हंस के मुंह सी लांगी यार मेरा मैनू दे 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 दे
One and only calling out all the phonies, go rip 'em all. He's invincible, he's untouchable, he's seen it all. One and only calling out all the phonies, go rip 'em all. He's invincible, he's untouchable, he's seen it all.
I'm a king, but I bop, I'm a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a good, good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I make my mama proud and I make the heads ring.
ਮੁੰਡਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਆਫ ਬੀਟ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਵੀਟ ਹੈ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਆਫ ਬੀਟ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਵੀਟ ਹੈ ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट
पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है
नचते ने सारे रल मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे नचते ने सारे रल मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे खसमानों का नहीं आलू बड़े करारे तरम नाल आलू बड़े करारे चढ़ चढ़ के चौबारे तरम नाल स्वीटू आजा मारे आलू बड़े करारे तरम नाल आलू बड़े करारे चढ़ चढ़ के चौबारे तरम नाल स्वीटू आजा मारे मुंडे पहलेंटी मेरे ਲਈ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸੈਂਟੀ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸੈਂਟੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸੈਂਟੀ तेरे लिए मैं सेट हूँ इस बात की गारंटी
पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है जहरा बांध के कूद फांद तुझे ले जाना इस बारी है
नचते ने सारे रल मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे नचते ने सारे रल मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे खजमानों का
We call ourselves as same year Matangis because I got married in 1997 and Karishma was also born in the same year. So I have seen her as a baby and I've seen her grow into a beautiful young woman and she's always been very enthusiastic. She has been the driving force of the events that we have in our family. And even for her own marriage, she has planned beautifully everything very meticulously. And I wish her and Jimit all the best. I am very happy with her choice and I wish them a long, happy married life together.
Karishma is one of my closest cousins. Even though we're 4 years apart, I don't think I ever felt that difference because she was always willing to listen to me, to be there for me. And it felt like we were more like friends than like cousins. And I think she was the one family member that I looked up to the most because everyone else would say, you know, do what is good for you, do what society approves of, do what is right. And she would say, no, do what you want. If this makes you happy, do it. We'll figure out the rest. And I really appreciated that. I really appreciate that attitude of hers that you should always do what makes you happy and then everything else comes second. I think everyone in our family could learn from that perspective of hers. So yeah, I've learned a lot from her. I look up to her a lot and I'm really happy for her. and I hope they have a great married life together.
तू जो मेरा हुआ, तू जो मेरा हुआ.
We have come a long way from a little sister who used to run around behind me to fighting at night or all the crazy shenanigans as kids. We also have had life lesson sessions. She has been my biggest support.
तुझ में ही है वसदा दिल दा सुकून मेरा खुद को मिल
And today, seeing her with Jimit is it's been amazing. I've seen their relationship grow, and I've seen how they both make each other so happy. I wish them the best in their future and many years of very happy marriage.
है सुनी है हर पल हर कहीं
I felt very proud when she chose to do her PhD after her MS.
Yeah.
जे आम्ही कधीच विचार केला नव्हता.
हो,
But
करिश्मा
she-
आणि PhD
she did.
करेल असं
She did it well, and she is really happy doing it. So,
चल चले हम वहीं अपना जहां हो एक कहीं कोई ना हो दरमियां निगाहों में रख लूं तुझे देख लूं बस तुझे हर घड़ी लाया है तू
तिने सांगितलं की शी इज डेटिंग समवन. तेव्हा माझा तिला पहिला प्रश्न होता, इज इट जिमित? सो असं थोडंसं आईंना कळतं, एक सिक्स सेन्स असतो, त्यामुळे असं वाटत होतं. अँड वी आर व्हेरी हॅपी.
yeah, absolutely. Long life and happy married life साठी आमच्यातर्फे always blessing.
ऑल दी बेस्ट.
Since his birth, Jimit has been the center of attention for all our family members, and especially for my mother. Unfortunately, who's no more and couldn't see this marriage.
Because honestly speaking, I'm single and I don't have any kids, and Jimit is as good as my son. Very fond of each other. और मेरा एक सपना था कि नहीं, like first marriage in our family, so मुझे वो बहुत इच्छा थी कि जिमित की शादी धूमधाम, बिकॉज कोविड के बाद मैं देख रहा था डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग का कल्चर बहुत चल रहा था. कार्निवल, संगीत, हल्दी, यू नो, दिस फेराज और महाराज एंड ऑल. सो आई सेड दिस इज लुक्स लाइक एन इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट, एंड आई थिंक we should celebrate Jimit and Karishma's, you know, union. And till this date, yes, I mean, we had a great 2 days. I mean, we really enjoyed ourselves. I could see Jimit and Karishma are also very happy. I mean, you know, as much as in the beginning they didn't want to have, but eventually I was just speaking to them a while ago. How are they feeling? They said कि नहीं, now when we feel very relieved और हमने ये सारा process enjoy किया. I mean, you have a beautiful and a very blissful married life ahead. Love you both. Thank you.
पण शादी इतना अच्छा हुआ कि हम एक्चुअली सेटिस्फाइड है. और जो उसके लिए अमित ने मेहनत किया है, शिल्पा ने मेहनत किया है, मैं और सुमित बेडरूम में देखे, बाकी सब हैंडल कर रहे थे, तो वो सब देख के हमको हम सेटिस्फाई है कि शादी अच्छा हुआ. बाकी तो उनका आगे का फ्यूचर है, तो उन्होंने वो हिसाब से हैंडल करके उनकी लाइफ, मेरी इच्छा है कि सुखी मीन्स प्रॉपर और सुखी वे से जाए, अच्छे वे से जाए.
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु. स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु.
मारे घर आ बोरी सजनी, भाग जगा बोरी सजनी, मन की डोली में बस के जियरा सजा बोरी सजनी। सहरा प्यार का मैंने तोरे कारण बंधायो है, पग पायल की झन झन से अंगना रिझावरी सजनी। सासों की शहनाई धड़कनों के ढोल बाजत है, शुभ घड़ी तोरे मोरे जिया के ताल गूंजत है। यूं तेरे संग जिंदगी का हर कदम है।